Section 1. Introduction. Probably the most famous buzzword in the world of tech, business, and finance today is the metaverse. You're probably one of the millions who watched Mark Zuckerberg explain this term in great detail. And you're probably also one of the millions who still quite don't get the concept. But don't you worry. In this course, you'll learn all the things you need to know about the metaverse. So, what exactly is the metaverse? Well, to put it simply, it's a digital world where people can do things as they do together in real life, work, relax, shop, party, you name it. You can probably say that the metaverse is an extension of the internet, a successor if you will. Although Zuckerberg rebranded Facebook to Meta, the term metaverse didn't originate from him. Rather, it's a name introduced more than 20 years ago. In 1992, Neil Stephenson wrote a sci-fi novel called Snow Crash, where the story revolved around this concept. According to Stephenson, the metaverse is a virtual reality, VR, world that coexists with the real world. It's a fully functioning economy where people can buy and sell virtual goods and real estate. Humans wearing VR goggles can create 3D avatars based on their liking. The digital trifecta, a VR interface, digital ownership, and avatars, is still the embodiment of today's concept of the metaverse. Thoughts on the metaverse? Here are some thoughts from several influencers in the space explaining their take on the metaverse. The metaverse is a 3D version of the internet and computing at large. Matthew Ball, venture capitalist and managing partner of Apillion Co. The metaverse is here, and it's not only transforming how we see the world but how we participate in it, from the factory floor to the meeting room. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. The metaverse is coming. Metaverse is not only a place to game. Future worlds will be photorealistic, obey the laws of physics and be inhabited by human avatars and AI beings. We will create a future in these metaverses before actually downloading the blueprints to be fabbed in the physical world. Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA. This metaverse is going to be far more pervasive and powerful than anything else. If one central company gains control of this, they will become more powerful than any government and be a god on earth. Tim Sweeney, CEO of Epic Games. Looking to the future, the next big step will be for the very concept of the device to fade away. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Alphabet and Google. Today, I think we look at the internet, but I think in the future you're going to be in the experiences. Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Meta. Metaverse statistics. Here are some latest statistics revolving around Metaverse. Meta recently invested $50 million in nonprofit funding groups to help the metaverse grow responsibly. Meta will create 10,000 plus jobs in the EU over the next 5 years. The metaverse may be worth $800 billion by 2024. The global AR, VR, and Mr. Market will roughly reach $300 billion by 2024. North America held the largest share of the worldwide metaverse market in 2020. VR gear sales are estimated to generate around $10 billion in revenue by 2022. Global shipments for AR/VR devices in 2024 will reach 76.7 million. AR and VR headset sales are expected to sell over 26 million units annually by 2023. 1.7 billion mobile AR worldwide users are expected by 2024, up from 200 million in 2015. The AR market was worth $9.53 billion in 2021 and is expected to rise to $26 billion by 2025. Cost, accessibility, and safety are the top 3 factors cited by extended reality, XR, industry experts as driving the AR market past VR. Source, Statista.